How to download a Facebook video. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Biban Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily download a Facebook video to your gallery on your phone. Well, the process itself is quite simple and easy. You can do so on your PC as well, so let me guide it through. First things first, you want to open up your Facebook and you want to head into the video that you wish to download. Right now, in my case, I'll just open up this particular video, and then under the video you'll find the share option on Facebook. Simply tap on share option there, and then you'll get the option to copy link. Now you can see that down below copy link option. Do not tap on here, but you can see here copy link that you can see along with share to. Simply tap on it and you want to make sure that link to post is copied. Once you do so, you want to head into your browser, any browser that you wish to use, and there what you want to do is you can search in for Facebook video downloader. You want to simply search for it, and you can see the very first link, Facebook video downloader. Simply tap on it and then enter the paste the link, tap on it and hold and simply tap on download. And once you do so, the videos will get uploaded here. You'll be able to find your video here. Now it's asking me to try again, so I'll just try it again and then simply tap on download, and it should load up quickly here. If this error occurs, you can try other websites as well, but you can see the video has loaded up. It's the same video, and scroll down below and you can simply tap on normal, download video in normal quality or download in HD quality, and it'll give you an ad pop-up. Cross that ad and the video will start downloading, and you can see it's downloaded. So this way you can download the Facebook video. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.